What's up, guys? So I figured I'd come fishing. There's nobody here. Take a look. This is all the people in the parking lot. And I am here. It's called Prickett Creek. I drive past this place pretty much every day. And I never really knew what was going on back here. So I came here the other day to kind of scope it out, and it's actually a pretty decent little fishing spot. I guess in this pond right here in front of me, I'll turn you around. So this pond, not too bad. Good spot for some big bass. Super weedy. Recommend just doing something weedless or doing a frog on top and just jig it through. I'm gonna head to a much clearer pond. And this one, I guess they do like model boat shows. Kind of sweet, actually. So that's where I'm headed to now. So here, I'm gonna flip you around and we'll check this out. Yeah, not too bad. Got some people on the trails. Pretty much just me. I'm gonna throw a spinner in the water and we'll see what happens. So, you guys can join me. It's too weedy over here. I'm gonna switch spots. Alright, so I found this little runoff spot. I'm gonna see what's over back here. I don't know if you guys saw in the video earlier, there was a bridge a little further down. Came out to the bridge here. It's like a little runoff. Let's no. Know what, guys? Looks like it just kind of dies out. Although if you look back here, there's water back there. I can see running water. I'm gonna try and get back there. I'll be right back. Alright, I've only got sneakers on, so I'm not gonna go that far. It's pretty deep mud over there next to the shoreline, so I'm gonna cast a little further out. Alright, so I went over there. Man, I fished that for probably like 30 minutes. Nothing. I didn't even see any fish swimming around or anything. So I came out. I was over back that way where the bridge is. I came out and I was gonna fish right there, but I started getting dive bombed by some bird that was over there. I'm assuming they were nesting. So I'm gonna come over in this little cubby and see if I can catch anything. But so far, nothing's biting. Alright, guys, I gotta go pick up Marty. I ran out of time. I didn't catch anything. I didn't even get any bites. There's a couple other people here fishing. I didn't see anybody catching anything. One guy I talked to, he didn't catch anything. He said he's been here for 2 hours. I didn't see anything swimming around. I didn't see anything jumping around. Barely saw any bait fish, so I'm gonna have to try it again tomorrow or come back another day. See you guys.